mga kabataan natin ngayon yung nakakaranas ng pressure. Yung iba may kotse na, pero ikaw wala pang trabaho. So yung tanong sa akin palagi ng marami ay, paano mo ito maiiwasan yung napapressure ka dahil sa accomplishments ng ibang tao sa paligid mo? Well, I'm reading a book titled The 5 Resets, Rewire Your Brain and Body for Less Stress and More Resilience. And one of the techniques mentioned was yung digital boundaries or media diet o yung tinatawag natin na parang digital detox where you have to minimize your social media consumption. Why? Kasi hindi lahat naman ng nakikita mo sa social media ay reality ng buhay nila. Sometimes it's a cover-up for what they truly feel inside. Pero nagiging source ito ng pressure and stress natin sa buhay. Worse, we tend to dislike ourselves more. Ayun yung nagiging problema sa atin. So what you have to do is to focus on your journey and not theirs. But sometimes, mas malakas yung power ng tinatawag nating malicious envy or yung inggit, kaya nagiging source ito ng inis natin sa sarili.